how to find and recover deleted apps on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever deleted an app and want to get it back, here is how to recover it on your Samsung phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And here, once you are inside the Play Store, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Manage Apps and Device. And now here, you'll see two tabs at the top, that is Overview and Manage. So just tap on the Manage tab. And now here, by default, it will show you all the app that's currently installed on your phone. But to view previously deleted one, just tap on the filter and from the pop-up menu, just tap on Not Install. And after that, you'll see the list of apps that were installed before but are no longer available on your device. So from here, you can just reinstall the app by tapping on the app on the checkbox next to it and hitting on the download icon, or you can remove it from the history by selecting the app and tapping on the trash icon, and after that confirming it by tapping on the remove button. And it's that simple. And that's it. That's how you can find and recover deleted apps on Samsung phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.